Welcome to Product Critique. If you're gearing up for the slopes this winter, then you'll want the best protection without sacrificing comfort or style. Today we're diving into the OutdoorMaster Kelvin ski helmet, widely regarded as the best snowboard helmet, lightweight, audio-compatible, and packed with features that matter. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this helmet has you covered. Let's get into it. The first thing you'll notice about the OutdoorMaster Kelvin is its sleek, low-profile design. Available in 22 matte finish color options, it fits every style, whether you're going bold or keeping it neutral. But it's not just about looks. The build quality is impressive. It features a reinforced ABS shell paired with a shock-absorbing EPS core. This combination ensures excellent impact protection while remaining lightweight enough for all-day wear. The outer shell is tough and durable, ready to take a few knocks without compromising safety. And despite its solid construction, the helmet never feels bulky. You can confidently hit the park or carve down double blacks knowing your head is protected. Comfort is where this helmet really shines. It's equipped with a size adjustment dial that gives you a snug, customizable fit with just a quick turn. This ensures the helmet stays securely in place without pinching or pressure points. The inner fleece liner and ear pads are soft, warm, and completely removable, perfect for washing after a long day in the snow. And if you're the kind of rider who loves tunes while shredding, you'll love that this helmet is audio compatible. Just slip your earphones into the designated ear pad slots and you're set for music on the go. Keep in mind, the helmet runs a little small due to its inner cushion. OutdoorMaster recommends measuring your head circumference and adding about 2 centimeters before choosing your size. This helps get the perfect fit, especially if you're layering under a beanie or balaclava. A common issue with ski helmets is overheating, but not with the Kelvin. This helmet features 14 individual air vents designed for maximum airflow. Whether you're cruising groomers or hiking the backcountry, the ventilation keeps your head cool and sweat-free. Even during warmer spring skiing sessions, the airflow is noticeable and effective. And here's something else. The vents are strategically placed, so you're not just getting random holes punched in a helmet. These are functional channels that promote airflow without compromising warmth or protection. This balance of breathability and insulation is a game changer, especially for long days on the mountain. Let's talk value. At a price range between $45.99 and $49.99, the OutdoorMaster Kelvin delivers features and performance usually found in helmets that cost twice as much. You get top-tier comfort, adjustability, safety, and sleek styling without breaking the bank. It's also one of the best-selling helmets in the snow sport category, and it's easy to see why. It offers the kind of all-around performance that appeals to skiers, snowboarders, teens, adults, you name it. Plus, with the wide range of colors and sizes, it's easy to find one that fits your needs and your personality. For anyone looking for a reliable, stylish, and lightweight helmet that won't empty your wallet, this is a no-brainer. It combines practical features like ventilation, audio compatibility, and adjustability, all wrapped up in a great-looking package. That wraps up today's product critique. If you're ready to upgrade your winter gear, this helmet might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews and gear breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.